definitely rougher here today. Pretty windy on the balcony. Trees are rough. Water's starting to run up, pond up a little bit, but I think all the buildings here are not raining.